Alright, another update on the mini truck. Hold on one second. New water pump, fan clutch, pulley, all that. I've been bleeding the system for the coolant and filling it up. Trying to make sure it holds temp. I got most of the motor cleaned up the best I could. It does have I don't know if it's a belt or a pulley squeal. No, it's just a matter of watching that temp. It's at 142 now, 143. But it's running. Besides that little squeal, which I think actually, I'm already going to replace it anyways, but I think it's the power steering pulley that's making that noise. From where the noise is originating from, I don't know though. Yeah, I think it's going to be the power steering pump pulley. I don't know though, the belt does look a little offline. I'm not sure. Oh, don't look like that. Drain bolt is tight enough, so I'm gonna get that tightened down on the water pump. But there's the update so far. Next will be the air ride system in there.